Hey, you click on my first YouTube video and I appreciate that. My name is Abdulfatai and I am a self-taught software developer and freelancer. I started this channel to share the real journey of building in tech, working with clients and figuring out how to grow online. No hype. On this channel, I will be dropping tutorials, freelance tips, money making strategies and even some fails and behind the scenes stuff. Whether you are into automation, coding, digital hustle, or just trying to start something for your own, you are in the right place. This is day one for me, not because I'm new to the work, but because I'm finally showing it. So if you are on a similar path or just curious about how it's really done, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification button. So anytime I drop a new video, you get a notification so you can follow up. Let's grow together, one project, one client, and one lesson at a time. Thanks.